Welcome. If you're looking to take more control over your Discord experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off the Sync Across Clients feature in Discord Mobile. This setting can be super helpful if you use Discord on multiple devices, but sometimes you might want your preferences to stay unique to each device. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to your user settings, where you can customize your Discord experience. Next, look for the gear-shaped settings icon. Tap on it to open up the main settings menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but we're focusing on one in particular today. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Appearance. Tap on Appearance to enter the customization menu for how Discord looks and feels on your device. Now here's the important part. Look for the option labeled Sync Across Clients. This feature, when enabled, keeps your appearance settings consistent across all devices where you use Discord. If you want each device to have its own unique settings, you'll want to turn this off. Simply toggle off the Sync Across Clients option. Make sure to save your changes before you exit the menu. That's it. You've now successfully turned off syncing, so any appearance changes you make on this device will stay right here and won't affect your other devices. This small tweak gives you more flexibility and control over your Discord experience, especially if you like to customize your app differently on your phone, tablet, or computer. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy-to-follow Discord tips and tricks. See you in the next video.